it's Rashtari. This is Akash here from Ongrid.Design. Today we'll be walking you through the revision on your updated layouts based on the changes requests that you sent to us. Our team has put together their ideas in ensuring that all those requests were mitigated and met with the high standard of design expectations. So let's get started. Just to clarify, the black boundary being your plot line, the setback lines being the blue dotted lines. On the ground floor, the request for entrance foyer, living room with ventilation, your preferred kitchen layout, and the movement of location for the staircase of the public access. All these aspects, as you can see, is accommodated in the layout. Walking you through the entrance lobby opens up into a nice private space with a semicircular staircase with a unique design with lots of natural light and ventilation expected from this design, leading up to the living room, again with a corner window opens up to a lot of lighting, and following it the dining space, a 8-seater configuration, and the kitchen layout, which has a semi-open system which allows you to keep things private but as well as connected to the entire flow of the living room. Moving along, you get the utility room. The utility room can be accommodated with a secret entry that allows you to access the staircase within the house. The utility room can accommodate your dryer, washing, as well as give you a nice storage opportunity. Walking through the passage, you can see it opens into a bedroom 1 that is attached to the toilet and has all the 3 essential fixtures like your WC, washing machine and wash basin, and your shower unit. Right. Moving along to the first floor, using the private staircase, you can use it to access it. Earlier there was a courtyard over here, so your list of changes, let me repeat them. You like the terraces on the option 1, a utility area was requested, and you wanted to accommodate an additional study which also could be converted into a bedroom. So as you see in this layout, it opens up to a nice big family lounge that has a clean big terrace. You can open up using the sliding doors that bleeds into the entire private zone. Then you can go to the private study that has your seating arrangement as well as a sofa cum bed layout system that can be opened and transformed into a nice guest bedroom. Moving to the left side, you can see the master suite with its own private walk-in closet as well as the big fixtures of the toilet with independent vanity countered wash basin. The family lounge is fitted with a powder room that provides an opportunity for your friends and outsiders to use the powder rooms without disturbing the washrooms of your bedrooms. On the right side is the bedroom 2 with its own balcony and also has a big lavish washroom, and the washroom has its own essential units as well as a storeroom. This also has a private access through the public staircase to access the second floor. Moving along, the second floor, you see this was the biggest area of changes that you requested, from terraces to the 2 BHK units each being converted. This was a little challenging, as you can see the space of a constraint, but however designers found opportunities to exercise 2 different set of options. In this, we allow you to choose any one of the configuration for your suitability, which can be repeated in the other. So let's walk in the left one. As you can see, the lobby opens up in the kitchen and living space. The kitchen is semi-open with its own terrace. The toilet is a common toilet that can be accessed by the bedroom 4 and 5 as well as the guest in the seating here. But this configuration changes a little bit on the second layout on the right side. The terrace being attached to the dining and the living area with its own kitchen setup. But in this opportunity, you can see the bedrooms have their own private toilets. All the toilets are accommodated with these 3 essential fixtures, and the bedrooms, each of them having their own private terrace. This entire unit can be accessed via the public staircase, and the public staircase is fitted with each level of private entry into them that allows you to control the scenario in the 3rd floor. So here I end my presentation. I would request you to take time to review, as I believe all the changes requested by you have been accommodated and updated to meet the highest standards of design. So in the few next coming days, we expect you to confirm us the layout that you wish to move with, and we'll be proceeding with the next 3D development. Thank you.